Hi everyone, my name is Ivan Mushketyk, and welcome to my course Developing Stream Processing Applications with AWS Kinesis. I am a principal software engineer and a tech lead. The area of big data is going through a massive change. Processing vast amounts of data in real time is a new norm, and companies should process incoming data in minutes or seconds just to stay competitive. And AWS Kinesis is a foundational service that allows us to build such applications. This course is an in-depth course about AWS Kinesis. We will start with the very basics of stream processing and Kinesis, and we will learn how to build complex stream processing applications. Some of the major topics that we will cover include what AWS Kinesis can be used for and how it works, how to build applications with Kinesis, how to use high-level tools with AWS Kinesis, and how to build applications using streaming SQL. By the end of this course, you will know the ins and outs of AWS Kinesis, and you will be able to build your own stream processing applications with AWS. If you already know big data or stream processing, that's great, but you don't need to know any of this. You only need to know core Java and basics of AWS to get started. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into stream processing with courses on frameworks like Apache Flink or Apache Spark. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn AWS Kinesis with a Developing Stream Processing Applications with AWS Kinesis course at Pluralsight.